7 o'clock in the morning.
Alright, time to brush my teeth. Let's do this. So we're gonna apply the toothpaste. Like so. Wash, put on a little bit of water. And we are brushing my teeth, brushing my teeth. My old ass is brushing my teeth, brushing my teeth. My old. Where the hell is Trent? Trent? Where the hell is Trent? Trent? I'ma whoop his ass. I'ma whoop his ass. If I don't find the heifer, he gonna fucking die today. Die.
Dancing by the pool, dancing by the pool. I love dancing by the pool. Oh, hey, Daddy. But what the hell you doing? Get your ass in the house.
Okay, alright, I'm coming, hell.
Me and Uncle Dave going shopping, so protect the pool.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go take a nap.
Alright, you do that then.
What the hell? Hey, I'm coming, Lord. Lord Jesus, Lord.
Lord Jesus, whoever the hell you is, I have a Glock in the closet, and I'm not afraid to shoot your ass.
Lord, hey, I'm coming. I'ma get your ass. Come on, Dave. Damn. Hurry your ass up. God damn, I just wanna get my damn food up. God damn, that woman got ass. The goddamn thing was moving. What the hell was that?